Hello everyone, welcome to Gogetmyguru. In this video, let's learn some basic concepts of Python. So what is Python? Of course, it's a programming language. It's an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language. It's not a new language. It was officially released in 1991 and the founder of this language is Guido van Rossum. Why it has gained so much popularity in recent days? That's because with the advancement in technologies like AI, IoT, where complex tasks can be written in a simple programming language. So Python came into picture. That's why Python gained much more popularity than before. Due to its simple syntax, huge library and inbuilt module, Python has gained more popularity. Apart from that, Python is having huge support community also. So nowadays, you might have observed even the school children want to study this Python. That is because its simplicity. Yes, like the way we talk in English, the same way, syntax is so simple that anyone with a zero programming language can pick up this language very fast. And also, it finds applications in many areas like GUI, game development, web development, AI, IoT, machine learning. So these are some of the examples. We have come up with this Python tutorial series wherein we have tried to keep this Python concept more interesting. Do watch out for our next videos, subscribe to our channel and write your feedback in the comment section.